If you want to duplicate something in Photopea fast, whether it's an image layer, a text box, or even a vector shape, this is one of the most useful shortcuts you can learn. In this video, I'll show you the 2 quickest ways to duplicate in Photopea, so you can work faster, stay organized, and build your design without repeating the same steps over and over. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Photopea tips just like this. Let's start with the easiest method, because for most people, this will be the fastest option. First, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your image layers, text layers, and shapes are listed. Click once on the layer you want to duplicate so it becomes selected. This part is important because Photopea will duplicate whatever layer is currently active. Now, on Windows, press Ctrl plus J. On Mac, press Command plus J. The moment you do that, Photopea creates an exact duplicate of the selected layer. You'll see the copied layer appear right above the original in the Layers panel. It is stacked on top, which means it stays in the same position on your design unless you move it somewhere else. This shortcut is perfect if you want to make a second copy of a photo, duplicate a text box to reuse the same style, or clone a shape so you can edit it separately. It saves a huge amount of time compared to copying and pasting manually, and once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. Now let's look at the second method, which is great if you want to duplicate an object directly on the canvas and place it somewhere else at the same time. To do this, select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard, or choose it from the top of the left toolbar. Once the Move tool is active, hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. After that, click and drag the object you want to duplicate. As you move it, Photopea will create a copy and let you position that duplicate wherever you want. This is especially useful when you want to create multiple repeated elements like icons, buttons, or design components without manually copying layers from the panel every time. So, just to recap, if you want the fastest way to duplicate a layer in Photopea, use Ctrl plus J on Windows or Command plus J on Mac. If you want to duplicate an object by dragging it to a new location, use the Move tool and hold Alt or Option while dragging. Both methods are quick, simple, and perfect for speeding up your workflow. Once you start using these shortcuts regularly, you'll save a lot of time in your edits and make Photopea feel much easier to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.